Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing slash like overview of these Pop Trading Company Converse collab sneakers that I had got. So they came out. Well, actually, I'm gonna just hold off on a second. I'm gonna hold off on like all the details. Also, I know my hair looks crazy. We're just gonna ignore it. I'm trying to figure out like what I want to do to it, if I want to cut it or keep it like how it's always been. But yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna hop right into the video. Okay, so this is the box that the shoes came in. It is kind of beat up. I don't know why. I don't know what that's about, honestly. But I didn't do it because I honestly forgot I had these shoes. But yeah, so this is the front. This is the side, the top, and then this is the like shipping or whatever. So I got them in a size 10.5. I usually get my Converse in a size 10, but I wasn't thinking because I haven't bought a pair of Converse in so long. So, but I did try them on, so they don't fit too big, or like it's not too big of a difference. However, I do wish I would have got a 10. But when you open it, it comes like this. It comes with this little dust bag. It says, what does it say? It says pop in the middle and like these gold letters with like this little string. So I guess it's cool to have if you're traveling. And then this is the actual shoe. So it's like a crocodile snake print. On the back, it has like the Converse logo, and on the front, it says Pop Trading Co. It comes with a black lace as well as a white lace. The inside is like this soft material. I'm not sure what it is. It feels like a blanket almost, but of course it's not. The top part is leather, and then the bottom is gum material, of course. So yeah, it's a pretty cool shoe. It's simple. It's not too much. Me personally, I just love white shoes. Like if I'll buy all my shoes in a white. But this was one of two in the collab. This is the high top version, and then they had a low top version, which was like a purple color, like same material, just a low top purple. I might end up getting that one as well. I got these for the original retail price, which was $80, but I got them from the Sense website, which is SSENSE.com, instead of like the actual Converse website. They're still on there. I just checked like not too long ago, so if you do want to get them, they're still available. Once again, they were like $80. It took about maybe like a week and a half for them to get here. And they came out November 18th of last month, so they're not that old. But even still, like if I like a shoe, I'm going to get it regardless of like if it's old or not. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try these shoes on for you guys, and I'll be back in a second. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, feel free to let me know if there's any shoes you want me to review. I'll try my best to get them. Also, if you know any shoes that you think I might like that come in white, feel free to leave them down in the description. I'll greatly appreciate. Not the description, in the comment section. I'll greatly appreciate it. I'm also going to put a link to the shoes in the description, as well as the purple kind, just so you guys can check them out if you want to. But other than that, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys later.